Hi, my name is Bree Clark and I'm a software expert. And today I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Excel to prompt for read or write when opening a file. The file in front of me is currently just a standard file, but I want to save it so that Excel prompts for a read-only when it's opened. So I'm going to go to File and choose Save As, and then I'm going to click Browse. I'll pick where I want to save this file, which will just be where it is already. But the important thing here is to click the Tools drop-down and go to General Options and select Read Only Recommended. So this doesn't force the user to open it read-only, but it recommends it. As the document author, you're making that recommendation. So I'll click OK and I'll click Save. It already exists. Yes, I want to replace it with this read-only recommended version. Okay, great. So I'm just going to use Control W to close that file, and then I'm going to use Control O to open it back up. This time when I open it, Excel asks me if I would like to open it as read-only because the author has recommended that it should be. So as a user, I could pick either yes or no. My name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert, and I just showed you how to get Excel to prompt for read-only when opening a file.